Welcome back to AutoBuzz TV, your go-to channel for the latest and most exciting vehicles on the market. Today, we have something truly unique to explore, the all-new *2025 Schwinn Meridian Camper Tricycle. This isn't just any tricycle, it's a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts looking for a compact and eco-friendly way to travel, camp, and explore the outdoors. Let's dive into what makes this innovative ride stand out. Schwinn has taken their classic Meridian tricycle and transformed it into a mobile adventure machine. The 2025 model comes with a built-in mini camper attachment designed for solo travelers or couples who love the freedom of the open road. With a lightweight aluminum frame, the trike remains easy to pedal, yet sturdy enough to support both rider and camper. Whether you're cruising through the city or taking a scenic ride on country roads, this trike promises a smooth and stable experience. Now, let's talk power. The Meridian Camper Trike is available in both pedal-powered and electric-assisted versions. The e-trike model features a 500-watt motor with a 48 volts battery giving riders a range of up to 45 miles per charge. This means you can ride longer distances without breaking a sweat. Plus, the pedal assist system allows for a more comfortable ride, especially when tackling slight inclines or rougher terrain. One of the most exciting features of this trike is the integrated camper pod. This compact yet functional sleeping area folds out from the rear storage compartment, providing enough space for one person to sleep comfortably. It includes a weatherproof cover, ventilation panels, and a built-in solar charging station perfect for keeping your devices powered while off the grid. Inside, you'll find a small fold-out table, storage compartments for essentials, and even a USB port for charging. Safety is always a priority, and Schwinn has equipped the *2025 Meridian Camper Tricycle with high-quality LED headlights and taillights a sturdy braking system and wide puncture-resistant tires for extra stability. Reflective strips and a horn system ensure visibility, whether you're riding during the day or at night. So, who is this trike designed for? It's ideal for adventure seekers, urban campers, and eco-conscious travelers who want a sustainable way to explore. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or just enjoying a peaceful ride in the park, the Meridian Camper Trike offers the best of both worlds, comfort and convenience in a compact package. With an estimated price range starting at $2,500 for the standard model and $3,500 for the electric version this trike is a solid investment for those who want a budget-friendly, low-maintenance alternative to traditional RVs or trailers. What do you think about the 2025 Schwinn Meridian Camper Tricycle? Could this be the future of micro-camping and travel? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoBuzz TV for more exciting reviews on the latest vehicles. See you in the next video.